Welcome to the demonstration of KDMax version 5. KDMax is a professional software specialized for kitchen space design, and this is the upgrade version of KDMax 4 with a huge improvement on functionality and user-friendliness. With KDMax 5, we are helping our users much easier to realize their design for customers and get more business. Generally, when customers go to our showrooms or shops, they will walk around and see the kitchen space. However, in most cases, they might just leave the showrooms without saying anything. As the boss or a salesperson, you don't know why the customers left and you don't know what they really need. But if you can offer them an on-spot design before they left the shops, they will be very interested by the offer, and you can catch this opportunity to make further contact with the customer, rather than watching them leave the showrooms and waste the chance. Let's see and explore how KDMax helps us improve the work efficiency and get more business easily. After inviting customers to sit down, we can run the software and ask them a few questions, or show them some product catalogs to warm up. As you can see, this is the interface of KDMax 5. You can make the floor plan design in the working area easily. You can draw walls freely with the mouse, or select a room shape from the templates, change the dimension and layout. If the customer has a floor plan drawing in JPEG file like this one, that's great. You can insert the JPEG file directly into the software and draw walls as well as doors accordingly. The operation is extremely simple and easy to handle. In just a few seconds, we already finished the floor plan, and we will define the ceiling height by just a few clicks. Set the elevation as 2800 millimeters. Then we can convert the floor plan to 3D section and show customers more realistic design effects. Before that, you can see our system has prepared different styles templates for our users' references. They are the best quality templates, and you can also set up your own styles in advance. Here you can preset the walls, ceiling, floors, and cabinet materials like cabinet doors, textures, and different components, handles, etc. We have collected the most common used door shapes and wardrobe designs in the mainstream global markets in the system. Maybe you might still wonder if users can add up their own materials? The answer is surely yes. As the system has prepared a lot of new textures, door shapes, handles, and wardrobe designs in this new version, you can still add up your own material, like doors and panels textures easily by yourself. Once we preset these parameters, we can easily design our space in 3D sections afterwards. Actually, in this moment, we can better interact with our customers by allowing them to choose the material that they like. And then we can also have a clearer understanding to the customer and their preferences. For this time, I'm gonna choose these templates. Within seconds, we already in the 3D section and you can walk through in the space freely to show to your customers a general concept of the space. Now this is their home. Unlike watching some magazines and paperworks, customers are now joining the design for their own house. That would be very impressive to them and they would be very pleased with your service. Okay, in the 3D section, we can now start the real design. First of all, I would like to introduce you the brand new feature of slope ceiling design. Consider the mainstream architectural style and trendy design of slope ceiling. In this new version, we specially developed these functions for our users. By specifying the walls and keying the values, you can define the slope ceiling and see the effects instantly. Moreover, we are going to lay out windows in the slope ceilings and let the sunshine come through them. The operation is also quite user-friendly. You can choose different windows from library and redefine the size, as well as the position. Then, we will lay out 3 same windows on that ceiling, from right to left. The new version has improved a lot on functionality, and this slope ceiling feature is just one of them. After the slope ceiling is done, we will keep on designing the space. During this process, salespersons can discuss with customers about the design or introduce different design proposals and items for them. With the software, customers can see the realized furniture and designs good or not in the digital scenes. They can try until they meet the best, instead of comparing with the magazines and imagine the effects in their mind. For example, if customers want to design the kitchen space at this corner, we can do it just in seconds. In version 4, we may need to lay out the cabinets piece by piece. When it comes to a bigger kitchen space, that would be a little bit time costing. Right now in the new version, we have prepared a smart kitchen function that software will calculate and lay out the cabinets for you automatically. Like this one, you can choose different types of cabinets like line shapes or L shape. All you need is just to specify the walls and the position of sink. Then software will do the rest. It's pretty easy and convenient. So at the first time of design, you can save a much more time than before to focus on other space design or the communication with your customers. After that, if they want to modify the specific items, you can also select single items from the library for further modification. We can also lay out the decoration with the help of Decor Assistants or add more items. Speaking of the library, it is another shining point in the new version of KDMax V5. The system library has been reorganized and added up a lot of new items, not only for kitchen and bedroom spaces, but also for living room, dining room, study room, and bathroom spaces. These new furniture items greatly amplify the adaptability of KDMax and enable it not just for kitchen, but also other space design. Furthermore, the brand new online library is also a very attractive function. As we have cooperated with a number of famous kitchen manufacturers, we have helped them to create hundreds of 3D models and put it onto the online library to share with our users. Up till now in online library, there are already over 500 items. The resource is growing as we will keep updating new products online. Our users can freely search what they want in the online library and download the items for free. Besides the massive library, the feature of kitchen furniture set is also very useful. After you select a couple of furniture, you can arrange them as a set. Then in the future, you can directly lay out the whole set to show to your customers rather than lay out piece by piece. For example, like this side cabinet set, when you think the furniture set in the system library is not in love, you can make up your own with this function easily. After the side cabinet set, we will lay out the dining table set from the library. And then is the sofa set, which is also layout via furniture sets function. Okay, when we finish laying out the sofa sets, we will start to customize the TV cabinets for our client. In KDMax V5, the powerful cabinet design functions enable users to create various cabinet shapes. Like the TV cabinet, first we will draw a bottom panel and back panel, and then we will design 3 single items and combine them as a TV cabinet set. In the cabinet design, we can define the cabinet size and divide the inner structures into different parts, which is very easy to operate and not require any CAD skills. People who knows how to master the mouse can use the software well. Besides, during we are customizing the cabinets, our customers are with us together. So if they have any suggestions or ideas, they can tell us and we can revise for them instantly, which can avoid a lot of modification afterwards. Every time you finish the cabinet design, you can save up in the system and layout when you need it. So this is very smart and convenient to do so. After the TV cabinet is done, we can also lay out the television and reset the size easily. Next, we will design the wardrobe cabinet. First, we will detect the dimension of the wall first. Then, we will define the wardrobe size accordingly, and reset the inner structures according to our customer's request. You can see the operation is similar to the TV cabinet design and also very easy for flexible designs. After we complete the inner structure, we can save it and lay out in the scene. Okay, you might wonder that there is a sloped ceiling and it blocks the wardrobe. How to fit the closet with the sloped ceilings? Don't worry, the system will do that for us later. So first, let's add more decorations in the closets. In KDMax V5, we specially amplify a lot more components for closet design, like drawers, clothes hangers, racks, and various organizers. We just need to pick out the ones that we need and lay out in the scene. There are different position methods for us to locate the components accurately. Like the drawers, just a few clicks and you can correctly lay out the items. It's the same with the clothes hangers and the racks. Very easy, right? After that, we can also add some clothes and towels in the closet. If customers ask for any revision ideas, the software can adjust in a very short time. Once the customers are satisfied with the structure, we can design the sliding door. Also, by very simple clicks, we can set the door parameters like the materials and designs. You can control every details in this dialog box, and customers can see the effects instantly. For example, I would like to set the sliding door as 4 sections. And the door material will be like this. Done! When we complete the installation of sliding door, we can open it to show our customers the inner structures or further edit it by right clicks. Then, as I have mentioned, the software will help us fit the closet with the slope ceiling automatically. By the oblique cut function, we just need to select the cabinets and the slope surface. System will cut the cabinets accordingly, like this. That is very smart, so you don't need to worry about the cutting of cabinets in slope ceiling space anymore. It's also the same with the sliding door. Very intelligent and convenient function in KDMax V5, which helps our users for more flexible design. When all the product design is complete, we can slightly set the lighting and give our users a vivid concept of the design effects. We can lay out the ceiling lamps according to the product location first, and then define their light powers. In this dialog box, you can select all the ceiling light sources or select one by one. You can control all the parameters like color, power, and direction, which will reflect in the scene at once. What you do is what you get. Very simple and straightforward. We can set the window lights as sunlight with a colder tone, and then define the other ceiling lamps with special IES sources in the software, which is located under VR IES folder. You can try and choose different light shapes. You can make out any atmospheres as you like. After it's all complete, and then we can open the light and see the effects. Just wait around 2 minutes. During this break, we can have a cup of coffee or have a small talk with our customers, and then we can see the effects after light on. But it's not the final effect. We can still adjust the brightness manually until it's good enough. This design service would be a valuable experience for customers and leave an excellent impression in their mind. Normally, when we present a design to customers, they want to have different proposals, like changing wallpapers or adding more materials and decorations. In KDMax V5, you can easily change the texture and material to present different effects instantly. For example, we can drag this floor material directly from your folder to the floor in the design, also the carpets, and your customers can see the outcome at once. To switch another one? Sure, just drag another JPEG file to the scene. You can either scan the material into the PC as JPEG format, or directly take a picture of the material and upload to your PC. You can still change their direction freely. It's very simple and easy to switch different colors, different patterns on any surface, not only floors but also walls and furniture items. The operation is super handy and easy to follow. In this section, designers can have a deeper interactions with customers what material they would like, and designers can also respond to customers' feedback and revise the proposal in a very short time. Customers will have a strong feeling that they are doing the design together, which will also make the design proposal more convincing and persuasive. Once customers are satisfied with our proposals, they will probably purchase all the items rather than just 1 or 2 pieces. That would be a great breakthrough for your business. Right after the material editing, we can save the design into a high-quality render image for customers' references. Also, in KDMax V5, there is a new function called Batch Output Images, which can generate different types of outputs all in once. That is super convenient and time-saving, where your customers can have an integrated design concept of their home. Like I said before, besides the render perspectives, KDMax V5 can generate other 8 types of formats, like 4D images, panorama, clone object digital sample room, hand drawings, working drawing, and animation, etc. These outputs can help you to present your concepts and convey your ideas to customers more effectively. Here, I will show you how to output your design into working drawings by simple few clicks. System will calculate the data of the design and convert into CAD drawings, which specify the structure of any cabinets for further installation references. When you confirm the business with customers and start implementation, these working drawings will help you a lot. You don't need to sketch another drawing while KDMax will take care of the rest for you. Similar to the working drawing function in KDMax, auto quotation is another powerful and popular feature among our users. By simple few clicks, the software can generate a very detailed furniture list. You can preset the unit price and other parameters, or adjust directly on the list. You can print it out for references, which is super cool and very suitable for project management. Above all, within 1 hour we have finished a complete design from zero by KDMax. You can see while other companies can provide only 1 or 2 renderings, we can provide your customers as many 3D renderings as they like, let alone the panorama and other output formats. What's more important is, when we are doing the kitchen sales, we can use this software to attract more potential customers and provide them with more nice services. Also, this design software can really save our time and improve our work efficiency. The customers will have a very great experience discussing with you about their home design. It will make your design more convincing and persuasive.